the winner of the race, the champion of the 2025 CAC Africa Road Cycling Championships.
I cannot express my feeling a lot of time at the podium, but to have this goal, victory, I have no express. I don't know how to express. I'm super happy, super proud with my team.
It was an amazing team effort right from the start of the climbs towards Kwale. Your team took the lead, and was it actually something that you already had envisioned, or was it planned, or was it something that came out of nowhere?
No, it's been really very well preparation. Almost now 4 weeks in Eritrea. We did a lot of very good training camp with all the guys, because in all the decades we won, I don't know, 6-7 times, so the pressure was not easy, definitely, always to defend. So 3 times now, number 4 in row, we won as a country, and I have a lot of pressure with my team from my country, and as a professional rider over 10 years, I never been a winner of Champion Africa, so with all that pressure was really hard to manage, but finally with all of support, especially with my teammates, I could achieve it, so it was super amazing.
Yes, indeed, amazing performance. What's next for you now?
Now as a professional, I have to break a little bit and have a talk with my team for next year. Probably I'm going to start in February, but now I would like to break for a few days.
And it's very well deserved. Congratulations on being your African's champion.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
شير قبل أنا بقول لكم بس تاب كوبلينك أي تمام